In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn money online in passive income promoting CPA offers. And I'm going to show you how to do this as a complete beginner. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to promote USA offers, but you can use this same strategy to promote offers from any country of your choice. So the first thing you want to obviously do is to create a CPA Grip account by going over to cpagrip.com. And once you create your account, you want to come over to where it says offers. So if you come over here, you can basically click on this section and you can pick any country of your choice from this list. And like I said earlier, I'm going to be taking United States as an example in this video. So once you come over here, there are a couple of criteria you have to keep in mind before picking any CPA offers. So the first criteria I use when picking an offer is to make sure that offer solves the problem. And an example of that are survey offers, which means once people sign up to these offers, they have a chance to start making money by completing surveys from these offers. All right, so all you need to do is to come over to the search section and you want to type in survey. There are a couple of surveys offers available to people in United States. So the second criteria I always look out for is the payout of the offer. You want to make sure the offer is worth your time. As you can see, the payout for this offer are above $2. So you want to make sure whenever people sign up for this offer, you are getting a reasonable payout. And also you want to make sure these offers are available on both Android and iOS devices. So as you can see right here, this offer is from Survey Junkie. And so all you simply need to do from here is to then create a very simple landing page like this. All right, you can see I created this landing page on Google Sites, but you can use any landing page builder of your choice. So to create a landing page, all you need to do is to go over to sites.google.com and you'll be able to see this button right here and you want to click on create new site. And once you come over here, all you need to do is to delete the whole of this section and you want to click on this text box. And this is where you want to type in a very captivating text like this. You want to make sure to align this to the center. So once you do this, then you can add a couple of emojis right here by clicking on this emoji icon. So once you click on that icon, you can add any emoji of your choice. Then the next step is to add a couple of images. And to do that, you want to go over to Google and type in Survey Junkie. Then you want to click on images. So all you need to do is to download a couple of captivating images. As you can see, this is also a very good image you can use as well. All right. Take surveys, endpoint, and get paid. So once you find a good image, all you need to do is to right click and you want to click on save to save the image to your device. So once you've downloaded a couple of images, all you need to do is to click on this image button to upload an image. So once you've added the images, then the next step is to add another text by clicking on this text button. So you want to make sure to drag this text underneath this image and you want to type in something simple like this: start earning today. All right, and you want to highlight this and you can change this color to any of your choice. The final thing you want to then do is to scroll down and add a button. Then you want to go back to your CPA Grip account to copy the offer link. All you then need to do is to paste in the offer link right here, and this is where you want to type in a call to action. All right, so once you do this, then you want to click on insert. Then you want to also make sure to put this underneath this text, and this is all you need to create your landing page in less than 2 minutes. And once you're done, all you simply need to do is to click on publish. And this is where it's going to ask you to type in a name for your landing page. So you want to then type in keyword that resonate with what you are promoting. And once you type this, then you want to click on publish. This is all you need to do to create a very simple converting landing page. And once you're done, you want to then click on this icon and you'll be able to copy your landing page link. And once you copy your landing page link, the next step is to then go over to QR code generator.com, as we are going to be using QR code to drive traffic to this landing page. So all you need to do is to paste in the landing page link right here and it's going to generate a QR code for you, and all you need to do is to click on download PNG. And once you do this, you want to wait for a couple of seconds and it's going to download the QR code to your device right away. So once the QR code has been downloaded to your device, you want to create a very simple creative like this that we are going to be using to promote this offer. So once people scan this QR code, it's going to take them to your landing page, which is going to look like this. So once people come over to your landing page and they click on this button, they will be taken to the Survey Junkie website. And once they sign up to Survey Junkie, you make money. So you want to then come over to canva.com and you want to click on custom size. So once you click on custom size, you want to then type in 1000 by 1000 pixels and you want to click on create new design. So once you do that, Canva is going to provide you with a lot of templates that you can use to get started right away. All you need to do is to make sure to look through this template and you can select any of your choice. As you can see, this is the template I used right here. All you then need to do is to click on that template. So once you click on the template, you only need to edit the details and you'll be able to create this image in a few seconds. Take surveys, Encash, scan QR code to get started. And here you want to change this to $100 payout. Highlight this and you can give this a bold and you can also increase the size of this text. And here you can move it anyhow you like, something like this. Okay, so once you do this, this is all you need to do to design your creative. And the next step is to come over and you want to upload the QR code. So this is everything you need to do. Then you want to click on share to download this creative to your device. And the traffic source we'll be using is Tumblr. Most of the traffic that goes to Tumblr are mainly United States traffic. As you can see, all you need to do is to create an account. Is absolutely free. Once you create your account, you want to come over to the search section and you want to type in keywords related to the offer like this. As you can see, make money online, paid surveys. So you want to type in this type of keywords, as these are the people we are targeting and we are going to be sending them to the Survey Junkie offer. So you want to type in any keyword related to the offer. So you want to type in keywords like that. You can also use work from home as well. And as you can see right here, there are a lot of people engaging with this type of content. So I'm going to take this one here as an example. All right. So if I click on this, so you want to go over to people who engage with this content. So once you do that, you want to basically send a DM to all of these people. So I'm going to take this profile here as an example. So all you need to do is to click on this profile. Like I said, most of these people are from US. All you just need to do from here is to click on this plus button. And once you click on this plus button, you want to then type in a call to action and send that creative you made on Canva to this person. All you need to do is to click on this image icon to upload the image. So as you can see right here, I have uploaded the image. So you want to type in a very good call to action like this. Make extra $100 in your own free time. Scan the QR code to get started. And all you need to do from here is to then click on send. As you can see, this message went through without any problem from Tumblr. So this is all you need to do. You want to then repeat this same process by sending this message to as many people as possible.